What's up, YouTubers? You're watching Sidetrack Avenue, and today I'm doing a product review on the M1 backpacker knife from White River Knives. Now, normally I'll do an unboxing first and then a product test afterwards, but today I'll just start off with the cut test and then work my way to the unboxing. So what I have is a cardboard that's almost a 1/4 inch thick. Now, straight from the box, the knife is super sharp. This is made from CPM S3VN steel. S3 is a high quality steel that's supposed to be corrosion resistant and also holds an edge longer. Now I'm also going to cut through this origami paper to see how well it kept its edge. And you can see it's still sharp. Now the unboxing. Down in the description box below is a web link to where I bought the knife. Now going through a third party has limited choices. In fact, the handle had to be bought separately from the knife. If you go directly to White River Knives, they have more options. The weird thing is that when I bought this product, the website says that the knife will come in 3 days, while the handle is going to come in 7 days. But luckily, both came together. So opening the handle first, we have a sticker of the bear, and this is probably what their logo is. And it also comes with the Allen wrench and the G10 black handle. They had a choice of orange G10, but I like the black better for what I'm going to use it for, as an EDC or for work and for home. Now the knife came in this wooden box. Most places just use a cardboard box, but I guess they're doing this to give it an overall rustic look that goes with the outdoor theme for the knife, which is why it's called a backpacker knife. For me, I like it. It's not bad. If this is a gift, it gives more of a story or character to this entire product. And in fact, this kind of reminds me of the Japanese style carpentry where they don't use nails, but they use a lot of grooves and interlocking, what do you call that? I guess it's grooves, interlocking grooves, so that everything locks into place. So the knife is the first thing you'll see in its Kydex sheath. Then we have a 750 paracord, belt loop, and these two little things are breakaway snaps for the neck carry. They also have instructions for the sheath and multi-directional carry. This shouldn't be too hard to put together. Wow, they also have a certificate. It shows the size, the steel, the finish, signature for possible quality control. I think it would be cool for a limited edition knife and if they had a serial number. So I'm gonna put the handle together to see how it looks. I really like the feel of this G10 handle. It has this certain grip to it. The texture feels like it won't slip if it gets wet. The spine is not fully flush with the handle. So far I don't feel any hot spots when I'm holding this. Maybe because it's small and this has an ergonomic feel to it. Put the sheet together and I'm gonna stick with the vertical style right side. So let's talk about the paracord. This paracord that was provided with this knife is a 750 paracord. It's only 1mm difference from the 550. But this has 11 strands inside versus the 550 which has 7 strands. You can hardly tell the difference, but I can feel this cord's more. This cord is a lot more denser than the other one. So the reason why I use 550 for the wrap is to conceal the loop of the figure 8 wrap. Right now I'm just testing out the style to finish out the knot. If you see here, I'm using a diamond knot and finishing with 4 snake knots. For the final wrap, I changed it to 5 snake knots, and then I ended with a diamond knot. You can see this at the beginning of the video, and then at the end of the video you'll see more pictures of the knife with the G10 without a handle, and then also with the paracord. Let's take a look at these pictures close up. Anytime during the video, you can just pause it. This is a really good deal for the price if you can get the M1 Backpacker Pro. Total I paid in California, taxes included, is $130. There's only a few things that I thought it was a con for this. One being is that when I went through a third party, the options are limited. And the second part is that if you're not skilled with paracord wrapping, it's gonna take some time to learn it, and then not only learn it and get the type of wrap you want. So as a final thought, I give this knife 5 out of 5. you like this video, wait until the end for more links to random videos I do. And don't forget, stay sidetracked.